Hello, it's Uncle Jim. The goose egg is going down on the back of my head. The neck is still messed up, but I need to know if these feed in the Foxtrot mics. These are Willie's bullets, 45 HG mold, 200 grain. And they're a little longer than my pet load with the Lee truncated cone, which is a tack driving bullet. And so these might not feed in a lot of people's guns, but they feed in all mine. But we'll do a garage pop with 5. I think my noggin can take it, and we'll see what happens. All right. Make sure it's cycled. Yep. Oh yeah, 2 for 2. All right, make sure we're feeding good. Yep. Not too bad on the brain slamming around. Looks like a good group. I don't know. I can't see that far. Still swinging. Oh, 3 for 3. 2 more to go. Still cycled, still chambered. Oh, let's get all 5. For Willie. Now I just blew it. A little shaky. Yeah, 4 for 4. Out the door, the garage door. All right, let's see if we can do this. I gotta get the binoculars, see where I'm hitting. I'm aiming a little higher because this is further away than what this is sighted in for. 2 MOA red dot. Hollison primary. And I missed the 5th, son of a bitch. And we're clear, son of a bitch. Must have went over the top. Oh well. All right, here's the cat. 45 suppressor, 10-inch barrel, lightweight barrel, which I love. All Foxtrot mics. Even the pistol brace is Foxtrot mics. These were on sale for 20 bucks. Official pistol braces, and they're very comfortable. Nice cheek weld. All right, so I think I'll hike out there. The old man's gonna try and hike out there without slipping, and we'll see what we did. Primary arms, same as Hollison, button top, which I love, and Shake Awake, love that. All right. All right, let's go out and look at the target. You can't keep an old man down, I tell you that. Oh, maybe not. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful. And over the bridge and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. Oh, let's see if we can find some tracks out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right. We're getting closer. Oh, looks like I was hitting at the top like I thought. All right. Oop. I can hear the sheriff neighbor coming. Yep. Sheriff neighbor showed up. He's making nice with the boy. All right, we're almost there. Okay, so I had, let me catch my breath here. My Brett All right, I had 65 on the rangefinder because the swinger is closer to my target board from the garage door. And there's the group. The last shot went over the top because I aimed high thinking it would shoot lower, but it did not. So the fifth shot flyer, sorry Willie, was just over the top. But I'll take that all day long without resting it, shooting from the garage door. And it's a good bullet, Willie. Those HGs and the Lee copies and the RCBS, what is it, the 201, they're all tack driving bullets. I didn't even weigh these bullets. These were just to see if they cycled. So I'll take it. Especially with me behind the wheel. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Sheriff showed up, so we gotta do some talking and stuff, but that was nice, Willie. That was real nice. Eskimo pussy. All right, love you, Willie. At least the snow was soft in case I slip and hit my noggin. Like my dad said, as long as you hit your head, you're okay. All right. America. As a side note, sheriff neighbor just showed up, shot my 357 lever action with 38 OHAS bullets suppressed and hit 5 for 5 on the same target. America. I didn't get it on tape, but whatever. All right.